We're running a little bit late. What time is it? Is it 8:30?
Yeah.
We're meant to be up at... Oh, good morning, by the way. Forgot to say good morning. How you all doing? We're off to our first car show today. Yeah. I was going to say this is my first car show of the year, but I can't actually tell you the last car show I actually went to. I've been to lots of drift events, but I haven't actually been to a car show for God knows how many years. As I said in previous vlogs, I'm going to be going to a lot more car shows this year, so we're going to kick off the car show event calendar with the InCarNAtion event at Brighton. At Brighton?
When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet.
Say.
When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet.
Right, we made it to sunny old Brighton. I'm quickly going to show you guys what's happening with the car event. It's actually down there, but we couldn't actually get into the road, so we parked up here. If you guys look down there, you'll see there is lots of action going down. So yeah, me and the G are going to walk down here and check it out.
Kinda like this game, but there's something you should know. I just came to say hello.
Got me mid-acting.
Hello guys.
GG! Fish and chips, woo woo! Here we are in wonderful Brighton. We got fish and chips. You can't have fish and chips unless you're by the sea. Whee! Look at that. Look at GG with the goods, very nom nom. We've had our chip supper, very nice. Couple of little cheeky EP82 GTs. Nice little quad lights on this one. Pretty sick. Lovely looking Stingray. Very pimp. Lots of really cool American cars here today. Sierra Cozzy. Look at that. Lovely rims on it, copper motors. Pimp. Lovely man. Oh, look at that, she's a minter. I think I'm right in saying this is a Fiat Tipo Turbo. Really, really rare car this. And it's got polycarbonate windows, mad. Quick look inside. Look at this, proper rare. Oh, I'm liking that, man. Lovely colour as well. Pretty pimp that. We thought it might be an Uno, but yeah, the Tipo is a little bit bigger, so it's definitely a Tipo. Got an XR3i. Absolutely mint. Lovely jubbly. PS13 as well. Super, super clean. Lovely cars out in this today, to be fair. Loving that. Pretty sick Mark IV Super over here, looking very nice. Big single turbo. Ooh. Pretty sexy. Lovely bit of 2J. Over here we've got Pete's car. Oh wait, you've got an RB and that's a CA.
This is cleaner.
Yeah, lovely S13. CA18 that is. Hello, how you doing, son? Another cheeky little Nissan Pulsar, very nice. Right up Lozzie Bears Street, this one. I recognise this old red shitter. This is Pete's pretty mad RB20 powered S13. We did actually feature it a little bit in an old video. R32 GTST, pretty nice. 300ZX twin turbo, quite rare these days. You don't really see a huge amount of these about. Mark III Supra, looking pretty cool. Bit of Jay-Z, lovely. Wankle. We've got the old Carson crew, Terry's RS, looking very sexual. We've got a lovely looking GT86, I'm on Mr. Carson. I recognise that little monkey. I know you, you're a good looking man. One sec. Terry, is that Terry I see?
Hello, yeah, I'm Terry.
Can you give me some Ford knowledge?
Yes, what would you like to know about my
Everything.
SR20?
Lozzie Bear. Got Scous's car fresh from lowering, looking, what's the arch gap like?
That's right.
That's actually not too bad, is it? Nah. What's it drive like?
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it literally only bumps on the bigger bumps when you go really fast in the country lanes, but other than that, it's fine.
Good. What's it like being a celebrity? What's it been like at the car show? Have you been recognised?
Few people recognise me.
Hey, look at him, he's blushing, man. We got Mikey. What's up, Mikey? Nice. Cast Performance supporting his brother. Pretty mad looking MX-5. Check the paint out on this. Crazy. It's all like speckly. Quite tidy inside actually. Nice little set of bride seats. Pretty pimp that actually for an old MX-5. I think I've just spotted the world's lowest Fiesta ST. Bloody hell, look at that. Must be on some sort of air ride, I would assume. RX-7, nom nom?
Nom nom.
Do like the RX-7s, man. It's one car I've always wanted to own, I've never had one. I wish I bought them when they were like fucking 1,500 quid. Yeah. Now they're like, what, 10 grand? Super clean R33 GTR. Lovely set of Volks racing rims. Oh, she's clean. Nissan Skyline R31. Oh, beauty. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, easy fella, how you doing?
Monky London, you're the best, brother.
Hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet, and you got to move, cause it's really such a groove now. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet, and you got to move, cause it's really such a groove now. When you hear the beat, you wanna pat your feet, and you got to move, cause it's really such a groove now. Puts a brand new kind of thinking in your mind, and you can't go wrong, cause you're grooving all day long. California soul. California soul. California soul. California soul.
Very pimp. Quite mad. Oh, bit of Evo.
This is called turbo.
Yeah. He loves it. God, look at this. We've got the Fast and Furious cars. That's an Eclipse, isn't it? Mitsubishi Eclipse. Yeah, it is. Left-hand drive. Oh, that's the car that had the fake brakes. Do you remember?
Yeah,
on the
fake discs.
On the back, it had those. I wonder if it's got fake discs. Nah, it's got drums. Proper blast from the past. These cars. Really nice to see. It's like an exact replica, isn't it? It's mad. The ST205, ST185 GT4. Let's look at this NSX. If you're watching this, please can we do a review? Oh, look at that, man. A couple of drift Swedish slags. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Loving the roof rack, man. I'd love to just tie someone to the top and skip it
around.
Oh, R32 GTR. Oh my God, there's so many nice cars here. Cheeky little Mini. Quite like little Minis, aren't they? You sort of realise how small they are, don't you?
Expensive as well.
Yeah, they are a lot of money. There's old Waynetta's R33.
Needs a clean, look at
Yeah,
that.
it needs a clean Wayne. Come on, man, sort yourself
Oh,
out.
there we go, got some importance.
Yeah, Cast Performance. A couple of old school Granadas. That's pimp. I love old boys like that, man. When I'm getting on a bit, I hope I'm that cool. Do you reckon I'll probably get really old and just start like giving up?
You'll get a fucking hybrid.
Baby blue Lambo. Could you drive that?
Nah.
Oh, I could drive it
You'd
if
ruin
it
my
was...
street cred.
I'd drive it if it was black. I'm
Yeah.
not too keen on the sort of baby blue colours. We've got Kobe on the channel, everyone. Cute little bugger, aren't you? Come on, Tommy. Woo! Yeah, boy. Nice one, Tommy. This is a little Rover Metro. Sick. I haven't seen one of these literally for years, man. Oh, that is cool. What engine's it running?
It's got an old K series in it.
Oh yeah. Which is basically like a Honda lump, isn't it?
Yeah.
Man, so yeah, it's running an old K series. Pretty tidy this. You don't really see a lot of Metros, and you don't see them looking pretty cool like this one does. Yeah, I like that. Little roll cage in the back. Couple of bucket seats. That is neat, isn't it? Quite a mad looking Astra van. Look at that. It's obviously got a bit of power. It's got super sticky tyres on it. I'm liking that. All polycarbonate windows. What lump is it? Ah, sick, man. That is cool. That's how you take your tools in style. Another Sierra Cosworth. Looks to be in all original condition as well, which is quite rare to see. Super clean. God, the time and money some of people put into these cars is nuts, isn't it?
Very original.
Yeah, look at this, proper original. Lovely set of Alpinas. She's sexy, man. I can see me driving this. Kings Road, Windermere. We've got Craigie's too, Jay. Bad boy. You guys will remember this from my previous review. Lovely bit of 2J. This is savage. This is a Noble, is it not? Is it an M12?
M12.
Yeah, M12. Crazy looking car, this. British built as well, very proud. These are sort of like proper drivers' cars, aren't they? No ABS, no traction. I was going to go and film all the cars leaving, but I think I got there a little bit late, so I probably need to learn a few tips off Mr. Adam C. The show is pretty much over now, so me and the Gigi are going to have some... nom, nom, nom. We're quite keen to go to a few more shows this year. Like I've been saying to the patrons, I want to try and actually employ a full-time editor so I can bring you guys pretty much nearly daily content. Hopefully if I pay an editor for a year, the channel will be twice as big next year and I can do a lot more drifting. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give us a like, put your comments down below, do my best to get back to you, and we'll see you soon.